So, little top tip for you here. We have, just save a bit of space in your scooter, hub puller, flower well extractor. Takes up a bit of room. Take your hub puller apart, just unscrew that, take that out, take 3 bolts out. Flower well extractor tool. Goes straight inside there, same thread, tightens it up, in your pocket, 1 unit. Job done. All your screws into a little bag. In your toolbox. Also, carburettor, Jubilee clip, tie it round your extractor, keeps it round, looks after it well. Top tip. Tip of the day. Let's just go through it one more time. I was just going to say, because Lindsay will laugh at it end.